What's up guys, and welcome back to this new stream here on my channel. My name is Dan from Crypto Rover. Thank you once again for tuning into this amazing new video once again on the channel, guys. Today, of course, we're going to discuss the charts, but guys, there will be sorry for the double background sound, but this is my second screen where I will be monitoring this chat. So unfortunately, this one the sound was still on over there. So guys, thank you so much for tuning into this amazing new stream here on the channel, guys. Today we're going to definitely discuss Bitcoin. We're going to discuss the other charts as well. And I see already some people are tuning into the channel, guys. I am right now live pretty early, but the reason is because I'm going to do the most amazing thing ever in my life. And of course, if you want to be seeing that, of course, I will be posting more about it later today on the channel, on my Instagram as well. So definitely make sure to keep your eyes out on that as well. But guys, today definitely very exciting day here. I just can't wait to see how this day will be ending, and of course there is a lot of things that we have to be discussing as well in the market as well. And I see a lot of people are saying Needy is coming, tuning into the stream here. I see everyone saying good morning. So good morning everyone who's currently tuning into the stream. Absolutely amazing that you guys tuning in. Some people are saying, Rover, charge your laptop, but guys, I promise you, I charge everything is set up here and everything should be working exactly perfect. So maybe I will be still getting a different camera because I don't like the quality exactly. I do want to be having a little bit of better quality. So hopefully still everything is working. But let me go back into the chart, guys. Let me talk a little bit about the charts, because yes, we are seeing something very interesting. So in general, guys, I just want to first talk about the Bitcoin dominance before I go exact to the Bitcoin chart, into the Ethereum chart, and of course VeChain, a lot of assets that we're going to of course talk about. So guys, the Bitcoin dominance, what are we currently having and what are we currently seeing? So first let me go just to the regular chart, because I think this is way better, and let me get the market capitalization in front of me as well. So guys, what are we currently seeing? We are seeing that the Bitcoin is of course performing well here, but the altcoins are performing better. But what is currently playing out in the background? So as you can see, we are seeing sitting at an all-time high of total market capitalization in altcoins in general in the market of crypto. So this is of course very exciting, and I just can't wait to see what we're going to do, because yes, the market is sitting at an all-time high and Bitcoin is not. So what is going on? It's basically telling us the altcoins are gaining so significantly, and we currently are trading on 46% on the Bitcoin dominance, but we even dipped below the 45% here, as you can see. We not dip below, we touched the 45%. So guys, yes, the Bitcoin dominance is absolutely falling, and it keeps falling, and I don't know exactly when we are going to stop. I mean, yeah, my major target will be the 35%, but that still will be an insane drop here for the Bitcoin dominance, and that can be of course ending in a lot of potential altcoin gains here. But guys, if I look to the previous market cycle in 2017, you can see first we fall very quickly to the downside, then we recover, and then we have another fall, and of course a W structure we formed over there. So or are we forming something like this here? We were falling, of course, and then we corrected back to the upside and we move lower. So yeah, I mean guys, yes, we are exactly in a free fall for the Bitcoin dominance, and yes, truly, if I look to the chart, I do expect that we're going to see another move coming anytime soon here. And I see also Martin talking about, please tell me XRP is going to $10. I mean guys, yes, of course we're going to talk about XRP as well here, but give me a second. Bitcoin dominance of course keeps falling, and I just want to be raising awareness. Don't get overexcited on altcoins, because yes, you're buying into extremely oversold territory, and I know we have been seeing extremely oversold territory multiple times here in the Bitcoin dominance. But in general, in my opinion, I think buying into, like, let's say Ethereum, I think Ethereum is in a huge parabolic ramp, and that's right away the reason to say to you, you want to be careful, you don't want to be over rushing things here. So let me go first into this Bitcoin chart. So you can see currently on the daily candles, we are running into resistance. We are running in towards the 57.4K, but of course provided us a lot of resistance in the past here as well. Over here, topped us out over here, and that's the reason why we were looking to this level, because you can see here always once trading above it, you're finding support on it, but once trading below it, what we are currently seeing, of course, we are getting a resistance from it. So that's of course very exciting. But guys, besides that, yesterday I was making a quick video here, as you can see over here, Bitcoin going to 72K here. We are currently seeing a symmetrical triangle in full. Why was I making this video? Because I think Bitcoin is of course currently trading in this insane big symmetrical triangle, and I think this is a very important thing to look at, and this will be for me a major buy opportunity that I will be getting here, and I just can't wait to see once we're going to see a breakout. And guys, you have to know, yes, of course we're going to see a breakout anytime soon here. Of course it can still take quite a long period before we're going to break out here, because yes, this pattern will be coming towards this apex around the 10th of May. But usually guys, what you see, these patterns tend to break out earlier than the apex. So I do expect within the coming 2 days that we're going to see a breakout of this significant symmetrical triangle. And guys, in that video. I don't know if you watched it, but definitely a recommendation, but I will be talking about it right now, so you don't have to watch it anymore. But in that video, I was talking about, Bitcoin possible heading towards the 72k here, and of course, this will be a major buying opportunity that we are getting if we're going to, reach this target, of course. So I mean, this is definitely very exciting, and I just can't wait to see where we're heading towards. And of course, there's always a possibility for also a breakdown here, but in my opinion, that is not really a scenario that I should be anticipating currently. And I mean, even though if we're going to break down, I will be not shorting it, like I told you as well in the video. I will be definitely taking a long trade on this one. But on this, on the breakout to the upside, I will be taking a long trade. But if we're going to break to the downside, I will be definitely staying away from it. And of course, maybe I will be taking some profits and maybe buy back later. But I will be definitely never shorting the market unless we're going to see a significant, momentum shift in the chart. And that is the thing that we are currently not seeing yet. And people are saying in the chat here, we are about to have a golden cross here. And of course, guys, we've been looking at these moving average. Of course, the 200 moving average is currently also providing us support, in the past it was providing us resistance. And what you can currently see over here is that we are, of course, finding beautiful support on this level. And we can be definitely bouncing back to higher levels anytime soon here. Besides that, yes, we are still about to have a golden cross, and this golden cross can be definitely pushing the price also a little bit higher. So the 4-hourly golden cross still yet to come here, but it will be here anytime soon here in my opinion. So yeah, guys, let's see how this, how long this will be taking before we're going to see this breakout on this level. And I see people talking about, will you be looking at VeChain today? Yes, definitely. ADA breaking out, guys. We'll be definitely talking about this as well, because yes, we've been talking about ADA a lot, and it is also one of our top 5 picks here of the month here. So as you can see, top 5 altcoins for the coming month of May, and it will be also Cardano for it. So I mean, for Bitcoin in general, guys, let me go a little bit in the bigger time frame, because yes, I first want to be discussing Bitcoin before going into all these altcoins, because in the end of the day, Bitcoin is the leader of the market, and if Bitcoin will be performing well here, the rest of the market will be joining is with it. So besides that, guys, the EMA ribbon on the daily, yesterday we 2 days ago we were below it, and right now we are once again trading above it. So this is of course very exciting to see. We are once again trading above the EMA ribbon. This can be providing a support on the daily candles once again here. It was very unfortunate, and I was not freaking out, but it was a little bit conservative once we were closing below. But of course, we were still in a higher low structure, so the structure was definitely still to the upside, and I do feel very excited about it. And guys, by the way, can you smash up the like? Would be amazing. Already 300 of you guys. I know the stream is probably for you guys very early or very late, but you have to know, for me, it's a very exciting day today, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do, because today is one of the biggest and one of the most important days in my life here, of course. If you want to be seeing what I'm doing, probably a lot of you guys already know it, because yesterday in the stream I told it, but I still want to keep it a secret. You just want to go to my Instagram, because yes, on my Instagram I will be discussing every single thing here, guys. But let me also go, I checked the email ribbon. Let me go real quickly into the MACD here, because yes, guys, yesterday I was telling to you guys, yes, we are having a bullish crossover on the daily, still curving to the upside and still looking very valid. And for me, I can't wait to see what we're going to do, but I definitely still feel very excited about it. I mean, if you look to the 4-hourly MACD, guys, this is looking particularly healthy in my opinion. We had this bullish crossover yesterday, and that was also right away, once I was making a video, we were getting this bullish crossover on the MACD. But it looks to be, yes, we are still on the downtrend, guys. On the MACD, we are still on the downtrend, but for me to flip bullish on Bitcoin, of course, because we're still consolidating, we basically don't have a lot of buy orders, but also not a lot of sell orders. But yeah, definitely, if you look to the 4-hourly MACD, we are still in a downtrend. And I do expect that we can be shifting the downtrend to an uptrend once again. But for me to really say that, I want to be seeing this momentum shift going higher towards, the previous high over here, and take out the previous high to continue the trend to the upside. And what we are currently seeing, of course, is that we are still in the momentum wave. So I definitely think we can still go higher, and we can be, guys, you have to notice, we can be possibly seeing a breakout in the coming day here, in the coming 24 hours. So I definitely think it's very exciting. And there's a little bit of an issue here. I see a little bit of an issue, because I just got a donation from someone, because guys, yes, there's a donation link in the description, but I have not set it up yet on this setup, so I can't see it unfortunately right now on the screen. So thank you for the donation, but I will be looking. I just can't look at it right now because it's all set up on my different PC. So I have to look into it after the stream here. Currently, I can't do it. So yeah, I'm sorry, bro, but I just can't look at it right now. So it's still not set up right. I will be removing that link, because otherwise people are donating and I can't discuss anything. I can only discuss the super chats from YouTube itself. And guys, yeah, by the way, I see 40.3k, absolutely insane here. I see, I can only discuss super chats because I can see them as well, but the donations from PayPal, I just can't see them in the screen yet. And I see a lot of people talking about XRP, a lot of people talking about Dogecoin as well. Guys, I think we have to be shifting towards the XRP price section because, yes, guys, I do feel very excited about XRP. I will be talking a little bit more about Bitcoin and Ethereum as well here, but give me a second. I see also Michael Jones donated to the channel. You're saying TEL is looking good. It retested and kept going. TEL is looking the best right now. So let me go into TEL in a second, my friend. But first, let me discuss some XRP because, guys, we are running currently into resistance for the price section of XRP, and in the meantime, I will be taking a quick sip of my coffee. If you can smash up the likes, that will be, of course, very amazing. But guys, what we can currently see here is that XRP is running into the 0.5 resistance level. This is, of course, trading around the $1.71 here, and this will be, of course, providing major resistance on the level that we are currently trading on. So for me, what is very important to see here is that we are going to crush through this level for XRP. If we can be closing the 4-hourly candle above this $1.71 here, we can be looking extremely bullish. So first of all, we already cleared this downward sloping resistance line. You can see over here we got a minor resistance rejection, of course. But since then, we broke higher. And I mean, guys, I know for sure 2 days ago in a video and also in the live stream yesterday, I was talking about the level of the $1.33 here, and that it is a very good buying opportunity, even once we were sitting over here. And guys, you can see it exactly playing out here, exactly like predicted. You can see we are going towards the $1.33. We retested it, and of course, it's a major buying opportunity, major support as well. And since touching this level, we went higher. So, of course, a very important level, the golden pocket entry in the Fibonacci chart from the swing high to the swing low in the bear market. So, of course, this level will be showing a lot of significance. And also, guys, these resistance levels will be showing a lot of significance. So, you can see over here, previously support, previously resistance. So yeah, of course, if we can be breaking above, then of course we retested already a couple times here. But guys, if we can be closing the 4-hourly candle above this $1.71 here, I should be looking extremely bullish, and I just can't wait to see where we're heading towards. Because yes, guys, it will be having a lot of potential to push maybe towards the next target around the $2.09 here. And I mean, definitely for you, for the people that are currently in swing trades, I should definitely already take some profits once reaching the $2, because $2 is very psychological resistance. And of course, once reaching it, I don't expect that we're easily going to crush through it, but definitely there will be some resistance at that point. But definitely, I still feel very excited about XRP, and of course I definitely think that we can be creating more volatility to the upside. But for me, I should already take some profits once reaching the $2, maybe $2.09 here, because that's the next Fibonacci level. But in general, guys, like I told you before, XRP is definitely a very exciting asset for the coming month here, because it's general in an uptrend. And of course, we are right now breaking this critical downward sloping resistance line. We are forming a bearish divergence because we're setting a higher high in the price chart, lower high in the RSI. So that's of course pretty unfortunate to see. But definitely, I don't think it will be having a lot of influence on the market. I definitely still think that we can be closing above the 0.5, but if we can't, it will be the next one. But if we are getting a rejection from this point, and you're still staying on the sidelines, and we're maybe having a retest of this $1.55 approximately, I should be embracing the opportunity to accumulate some XRP, because yes, guys, if we're going to have a retest of this critical downward sloping resistance line, I can definitely tell you this is a very good buying opportunity. So I already can't wait to see what we're going to do. I still feel very excited by XRP, and I still think there's a lot of potential, guys. And I know it's been performing already very well here. You can see 18% to the upside, and I'm a happy holder of XRP. And of course, I've been holding XRP since 50 cents here, also in a swing trade. Already took some profits on it, but we're maybe going to open a new swing trade position. But once opening it, of course, I will be trying to do it, as transparent as I can. And that's also the reason why you want to be just keeping your eyes out on the Instagram. Guys, will be amazing if you're following me over here as well, because yes, guys, today will be a very exciting day on the Instagram channel, because I'm going to do the most important thing. I mean, for me, it's a very exciting thing here, so make sure to follow me, because there will be coming some very insane stories here. I will be talking about insane stuff over there, so definitely make sure to follow me over there. Also, if you're interested in crypto in general, I talk a lot about crypto in my stories as well, so just a thing that you want to be keeping your eyes out on. And of course, it's also a little bit of personal stuff. So also for XRP compared to Bitcoin, guys, I've been looking through this chart on the weekly time frame. Can we be closing the weekly candle above this resistance line? This will be very important in my opinion, because if we can be closing this weekly candle above the resistance line, we can be looking for higher prices in the coming days here. So hopefully we can be closing this weekly candle above this line, and if we can do so, guys, we can be possibly heading towards higher targets. And of course, that is a very critical level, because we are still in a downtrend for XRP compared to Bitcoin. Of course, XRP is known for these big spikes here, and I definitely think there will be exactly the same. So such a spike will be probably happening once again for XRP, and after that we are going to see a big correction. So I mean, guys, embrace yourself for XRP going to the moon. I mean, for me, in this coming bull cycle, I won't be surprised if we're going to see an XRP sitting around $5 or $6 or even $7, and it can possibly even head towards $10 because yes, guys, XRP will probably spike very quickly to the upside. So that is the reason why I'm still holding my my XRP, and I see so many requests for ADA coming in VeChain as well, guys. Believe me, I will be discussing VeChain. But first, let me talk a little bit about ADA, guys, because yes, we've been looking to ADA for quite a while on the channel, and yes, I do feel very excited about ADA, and of course, we are currently seeing the breakout that we have been waiting for such a long period of time. So, first of all, do I feel excited? Yes, definitely, I feel very excited. So, what you can see over here, this is already very concerning in my opinion. Of course, I mean, not concerning because it's good that the candles are green. But yesterday we got a correction from this previous, support line. Right now flipping into resistance. Can we be re-entering it? And of course, go for a moonshot. That's still a possibility. Let's see how this will be ending here in the coming days here. I definitely still think you want to be very careful with this one. Because yes, we can be re-entering and of course shooting through the resistance line on the top side as well. But yeah, previous support will be of course providing major resistance right now. Yesterday I already got a rejection. Can we be re-entering today? Would be very important in my opinion. Also, yeah, ADA compared to Bitcoin, this one we've been anticipating for quite a long time here, and that's also the reason, guys, why I've been talking about ADA for quite a long time here as well, and why it is on my top 5 picks of May here. As you can see, ADA is definitely a very exciting asset because ADA compared to Bitcoin was looking extremely good. It was forming an ascending triangle here. Of course, after retest, we are already searching higher. And right now, still, the potential increase will be still an 8.6% here to the upside. And of course, that's still a big target to the upside. And I still think that there's way more potential for ADA, but we're currently trading on almost at all-time highs, guys. $1.53 here. I've been a really happy holder from ADA, and I'm still holding on here, $1.53 right now. I mean, guys, we're absolutely increasing very quickly, and I can't just wait to see where we're heading towards, because yes, guys, I do feel very excited by ADA. I do feel like we can be seeing new all-time highs anytime soon here, and of course, we are very close with reaching all-time highs here. And I mean, I've been holding quite a lot of XRP, Cardano recently. I mean, it's been playing out pretty well here. Of course, both on the support, and you can be maybe even calling this a symmetrical triangle, guys. I just don't exactly like this target because, yes, we have 2 touch points on the top side. I just won't call this a third one. So, yeah, for me, there's not a lot of significance in the chart. And, of course, we are having 2, 3 touch points on the lower side, but it's just not, very significant pattern that you can be looking at. But, I mean, if you redraw it, and if you look at this pattern a little bit different, and if you look at this, maybe at the possibility for an ascending triangle, guys, we can be looking at a different scenario. And I see also Jonathan donated to the channel, guys. I will be going also in a different request in a second here, because yes, there were some more requests coming in here. But you can also look, guys, at the possibility for an ascending triangle here. And this was, of course, a scenario that I was anticipating on ADA for quite a long time here. So for me, this daily candle today will be very important if we can be closing it above the $1.48 here. If we can do so, guys, I mean, we're closing the highest daily candle ever in history for ADA. And of course, if we can be having a retest of it, this can be pushing the price up towards the $2.06 approximately. So this is, of course, a very exciting target in my opinion. And this is definitely a level that you should be looking at. And I mean, I can better draw it a little bit more like this here. And guys, I mean, this is a perfect ascending triangle. Seeing this breakout right now, I mean, the significance coming in as well. And I truly anticipate this one. And this can be pushing up ADA towards absolutely new all-time highs here. And guys, be sure that you have enough ADA here. Because yes, $2.02 at $2.07. But approximately $2, because $2 is also a major psychological level. So please look out for ADA. Definitely going to give you very good return. So let me go into Jonathan. Jonathan donating 10 pounds to the channel. Jonathan, big shout out to you here. I mean, a true legend, of course. Jonathan, you're saying, let me see. Hi, when I take profits on my altcoins, should I convert them to BTC, Ethereum, or stablecoins, or fiat? I mean, the aim is to accumulate more Bitcoin in the long run. I mean, if you want to be accumulating more Bitcoin for the long run, I should definitely shift your profits from your altcoins to Bitcoin, because are you going to really buy cheaper Bitcoin than 57k? I don't truly anticipate it. 57k is already a pretty cheap level for Bitcoin in my opinion, because yes, guys, I still don't think this is the top of the cycle, and I still think that we have way more potential to go even higher. And I see also Brent donating to the channel, 3 Aussie dollars, and you retrace your message, so I can't see what you typed, but thank you for support of the donation. But my friend Jonathan, for me, I should really shift your profits from altcoins to Bitcoin. And to give you my strategy here right now, guys, to give you my exact strategy, what I'm currently doing here, I am also shifting my profits from my altcoins currently to Bitcoin. Of course, some altcoins I have not to profit on yet, but there are a lot of altcoins currently that I'm looking at that I'm taking some profits on. So thank you so much for your donation, but I should definitely already shift a little bit into Bitcoin and not really go into fiat, because yes, in the end of the day, fiat is not really going to give you returns, guys. Fiat is not really the position that you want to be in. So guys, by the way, see, we are already having 134 likes. Would be amazing if we can be smashing it up to 200. I think we definitely can do so. So guys, let me go back into the chart, because yes, guys, I was talking about ADA. It's definitely very exciting what we can currently see here. ADA has been performing very well here, but for me, like I told you before, it's pretty hot in here, by the way, here. So, guys, for me, definitely want to be looking at, yeah, of course, the daily close above the $1.47, yeah, $1.47 here, because if we can do so, we can be potentially looking for higher prices anytime soon here. So, definitely keep your eyes out on the ADA chart, because yes, ADA is very exciting, and I just can't wait to see what we're going to do. So, guys, let me see what the chat is currently saying. To the 500. Yes, guys, we already reached the 500 live viewers, so we're once again smashing it up once again. So guys, let me see what you guys are having. I mean, let me first go into the different super chat, because I don't see it. I don't see it over here. I can't see the different super chat. So the super chat is not coming in here. So I thought we had another super chat, but maybe I saw it wrong. So let me go into the likes of Ethereum, because I have not discussed Ethereum yet. And guys, in the meantime, I'm going to take a quick sip of my coffee. You guys know that I love coffee. You guys know that I love coffee. So, at Crypto, let's meet up in Dubai, brother. Of course we can. Guys, we can always meet up. We can be maybe having a drink with you if you want to. Of course, hit me up in my Instagram. Hit me up in my Instagram, would be amazing. I see also Betsy donating to the channel. Betsy saying, can you please look at Ethereum Classic? I mean, it's sitting on $94 if I say correctly. It's still not took profits on it. I mean, it's absolutely crushing it currently. You were saying Coinbase Pro had a different price from every platform. It's at 8:45 a.m. and remove the market sell option, market manipulation. So I don't exactly, I did not really look into it a lot here. And I see also MBX donating to the channel, and you're talking about Pulse. So I will be going into Pulse in a second, MBX. But yeah, let me go into Ethereum Classic in a second. Let me first discuss Ethereum. Then I will be discussing Ethereum Classic, and after that we'll be going into Poker Starter for you, MBX10 here. So thank you for your support of the nation. I don't know exactly what's going on with Ethereum Classic, because yes, it is pumping so significantly. I mean, I bought this one below the $5, and I've been just sitting on it. I know that I put it on my ledger. I was just holding this one, and it's been performing so good here. And yeah, I don't know, it's sitting on P19. It is absolutely insane, of course. Look at this parabolic run up. It's absolutely insane for everyone who's holding it. Congratulations. I mean, you can see over here, it was only sitting on $5 here, and it's been performing very good. I bought this one in the bear market. I just bought this one and just going to sit on it, I told myself. So very exciting what it is currently doing here. Of course, I know the fundamentals are not the best for this coin, but let me first discuss Ethereum, because yes, guys, I know a lot of people are talking about Ethereum, and please don't spam in the chat here. Let me quickly adjust this, guys. Let me quickly adjust the time limit here, and let me set it on 4 seconds here, so you guys can't spam in it. So some people can't spam in the chat here. So, guys, first I will be talking about Ethereum, because, guys, yesterday I've been talking in the stream that it will be very important, in my opinion, to, yeah, look what Ethereum is going to do with the SEM 2.618 here candle close. So what are we currently having? We can see that Ethereum yesterday closed the daily candle on the $3,500, and of course that's very exciting. But the most important part for me, guys, is that we first got this major rejection by this Fibonacci point, and currently we are already retesting it. So what is it telling me, and what are we about to going to see today? Because, guys, this is, of course, giving me the opportunity to say to you, this is a very, but a very, very good long trade opportunity that you're currently getting. We're closing above the 2.618 here. We are retesting it again right now, and this is looking like an amazing opportunity, sitting around to 34. Let me see exactly which digit it is. The $3,430 on Coinbase chart is your buying opportunity. And I definitely think, of course, I will be still saying it, I will be only talking about leverage trades, because for a spot position, I don't know exactly if you're going to be profitable if you're holding this for a long period of time. But I mean, for the people that are willing to leverage trade, you can be easily making a quick flip here, in my opinion, of 16%. And this can be definitely pushing Ethereum towards maybe the $4,000. So definitely make sure to keep your eyes out on Ethereum in the coming days here, because yeah, this is looking like an absolutely beautiful retest right now. And of course, I mean, I've been saying to you guys that you want to be getting careful, and I want to be saying this once again here, because I don't think it's the best opportunity that you're getting. Of course, you're seeing a perfect retest right now, and I do want to feel very excited about this. But guys, you want to know one thing. It looks to be that we're forming a bearish divergence currently, so we're setting a higher high but lower high in the RSI. And this is already the first sign of a reversal in the parabolic run-up. Because yes, guys, if you zoom out here, if I get a clean chart in front of me, you can see, let me get a clean chart here, because this is not really clean. This is not really clean. This one also not. So what you can see here is that you are having a parabolic run-up for Ethereum right now. You have a parabolic run-up and you're forming a bearish divergence. So what is this telling you? Do we want to be careful? Yes, you want to be careful, because after a parabolic run-up is forming sideways action slash a bearish divergence, you want to be very careful. Because if you're seeing that, you're definitely going to see, and let me get this one to the right side, left side. If you're seeing a bearish divergence on the top side getting created, besides that in the parabolic run-up, you can definitely see a reversal sign. This is the first reversal sign. So we can be seeing a big correction for Ethereum, or maybe some sideways action, because, yeah, guys, I don't want to be feeling over-exciting. Because yes, you want to be careful, and I don't like to buy into parabolic run-ups, and especially, of course, I will be not shorting it, because then I probably will be getting wrecked here. But longing is also pretty risky, because we can be seeing a lot of volatility in the price action of Ethereum, and you want to be remembering these transactions that you have to be making with Ethereum are still so expensive. And what I do expect, guys, is that probably a lot of money will be flowing, maybe out of Ethereum, maybe going into Bitcoin, maybe going into BNB, and yeah, you just want to be still staying very careful. Now, of course, we are currently seeing the Ethereum run up once again here, but usually this happens in waves. And if you look also to the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart, guys, I don't want to be being the bear right now. But I want to be staying realistic, and I want to be staying conservative right now, because, yeah, if you're buying right now, if you're going to accumulate your Ethereum here, I don't know if exactly you're going to make the most amount of gains, to be very honest. And guys, like I told you as well here, and like you can, I mean, you know the saying. I mean, sorry, you don't want to be buying higher, because if you're always buying high, you're probably going to get wrecked here. And I do want to be, yeah, raising the awareness that we can still get a big wick on the top side, or that we can get a correction towards this level. And of course, if we're going to have a retest of this, yeah, significant level, you should definitely, of course, accumulate some. But right now, we are having this bearish divergence playing out on the Ethereum chart with, of course, in the parabolic run-up, and the parabolic run-up is right now going sideways. And after, if you are sitting so high in a parabolic run-up, you can be seeing a reversal maybe coming in here. Of course, I'm not saying that this is it. There can still be a possibility that we're even going to go higher. And yeah, let's see what we're going to do. But guys, I see a lot of people talk about XRP, but we've already discussed XRP in the beginning of the stream. So make sure to go back a little bit in the screen. You can scroll back. But guys, yes, of course, I will be discussing XRP later into the stream as well, once again. But I already discussed it. So definitely very exciting. So guys, if you want to be subscribed to the channel, will be of course also very amazing. Heading towards 40.4k here would be amazing. Yeah, Drew is also saying it here. Guys, he already covered XRP. Yeah, I mean, guys, I already covered XRP in a moment ago. So we'll be going a little bit later into it. But first, let me discuss Ethereum Classic, because also we'll be still discussing Polkastarter, guys. Because I saw also MBX donating to the channel asking me about Polkastarter. So what are you currently having with the price action of Ethereum Classic? Of course, it's going absolutely parabolic, and of course sitting around right now a whopping 100 US dollars. It touched it, got rejected. But what is it currently doing, and what is it currently telling us? Of course, it is very hard to give my exact analysis on the chart, because yes, this chart is just going parabolic, and of course, once a coin or once a chart is going parabolic, it is very hard to give your your exact thoughts about it. But I can be looking for potential extension levels, and what you can see here, the 2.618 is of course providing support. But this is a very significant level. I don't know for sure. Yes, we are still in the parabolic run-up. I mean, I will be not calling that it will be ending right now, because the chances of calling it's ending right now is very risky, because yes, in my approach it can still be going way higher. But yeah, I mean, for me, for the people that right now see Ethereum Classic has been performing very well, sitting on P18, they're seeing 171% increase in the last 7 days here. First of all, I have not took profits yet here, but I definitely will be doing it any day right now. But you want to be careful once a coin is pumping so significantly. So please be careful. And for me, it's not really providing you a buying opportunity. And I think you definitely want to be very careful with this one as well here. So please don't be the one who's currently buying into it. In my opinion, you're absolutely getting wrecked if you're going to do so. Because yeah, if you're buying the highs, you're not going to make the most amount of profits, in my opinion. So please be careful with Ethereum Classic. I know it's been performing very well, and you were talking about a little bit of manipulation. I don't exactly know it, because I have not really read into it. I definitely want to be doing it, but yeah, currently, for me, it's very hard to give my exact thoughts about if it's really manipulation or something else. So let me see what we're going to do. And let's see what we're going to do here. So 92.4 US dollars is the currently level we're trading on, but still we're trading above support. Support is approximately 90 US dollars, but they should definitely stay away from it. For the people that are willing to get exposed to it, please don't buy with your emotions, but please buy with your head and think twice before buying into anything. So see, also a lot of dot requests coming in here. Then how about Bitcoin Cash? Bitcoin Cash is not really an asset that I like to talk about, to be very honest. Let me first go, let me see. Let me go a little bit into BNB here, guys. Let me go a little bit into BNB to see what it is currently doing here. Of course, we've been looking to the symmetrical triangle, what's currently unfolding. After that, we search higher, and my price target is still standing on the 710 US dollars, because that is my breakout target of the symmetrical triangle. So, yes, guys, I still anticipate that we're going to see this target getting reached anytime soon here. I truly expect that we are going to reach this to 710 US dollars. Of course, like I told you before, guys, if you're participating in a breakout like this here, don't expect that we're going to see the target getting reached in one day. It can sometimes take a while before really reaching the target, but still I won't be flipping bearish, and I still will be saying, yeah, we're going to reach the target. Even though that we're currently forming a bearish divergence, I still feel very excited about BNB, because the use case is very good about BNB and the fundamentals are very good. Biggest developer team that they're currently having working on the coin. Cheap transactions, Binance Smart Chain, they're very innovating, and besides that, of course, they're burning a lot of coins, and they're working on their scarcity, because they really want to be making BNB, a Binance coin, a very valuable coin, and they're doing a very good job doing it. So that will look very exciting, and for me, I can't wait to see what we're going to do, and I definitely feel very excited about it. So I FOMOed into ADA on the $1.47 here. I mean, yeah, you're FOMOing into ADA, but is it really a bad job? I mean, if you're FOMOing into Ethereum Classic, I don't think it's smart, but in ADA, you can still do it, in my opinion. So yeah, I don't think it's exactly a bad thing that you're currently doing, but guys, yeah, BNB is still looking healthy. But I think that I want to be talking about here is, I mean, someone is donating to the channel. Let me get to Peach. You're talking about Peach. So I see Crypto Cats is donating to the channel. Thank you for 14 Canadian dollars. And you're saying Peach on Uniswap. Peach on Uniswap is going to be the next gem. What is going to explode? 250k market cap, active admins, dog developers, weekly giveaways, and burns as well, as a monthly charity donation. See the graph on Dex Tools. So my friend, let me go to Dex Tools. I mean, let me go to the chart, because yeah, we can only see the graph either right now. So let me go and to discuss this chart for you, my friend. Launch app. Hopefully it's, I mean, man, we'll be not going right now. I mean, my friend, I'll be only looking at coins on TradingView, because otherwise I have to set up everything. And let me look it up on CoinMarketCap. It's even not on CoinMarketCap, so that's pretty unfortunate that Peach is not on CoinMarketCap for you, my friend. The Peach is currently not on CoinMarketCap. Maybe it's on CoinGecko. Let me check on that for you, my friend. But yeah, if it's very, let me know if it's very exciting. Of course, you think it's a very exciting project, so definitely, yeah, you can be checking it out if you like it. But of course, very exciting, but it is currently not even on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko, so that's already for me a thing why I'm staying away from it. So yeah, let's see what it's going to do. But for me, if it's not on CoinMarketCap, it's not on CMC, and it's only on Uniswap, I want to be very conservative, because yeah, you also want to be knowing what the project is exactly doing. So also, Grand Daniel donating to the channel. Hey Rover, love your show. Enjoy Dubai, bro. Yeah, definitely, guys. I enjoy Dubai. I just can't wait to see how the day will be ending. Of course, guys, I just can't wait. And this is the reason why I do feel very excited to stream as well, because I just want to be sharing everything for you guys as well. And you're saying, can you please check Maker for me? And I still promised that I was going into PokerStarter. MBX, I will be going into it. So, can you please check Maker for me? I'm trading it on FAMX MKR USD. Thank you, brother. So, we'll be going first into Maker. After that, we'll be definitely still discussing. Let me go to FAMX chart, PokerStarter. So, bro, I will be checking it on a different chart, because I know FAMX recently launched it, so that is the reason why we don't see a lot of information on the chart. So I will be just discussing a different chart, because I just think it's better. So yeah, you can see Maker's been performing very well, and you're trading it, so already good that you're of course already good, but I mean, hopefully you're doing a good job here. Be careful trading, especially in coin. That is currently what I see on this coin, that it is having such a big run up here, and you want to be conservative, guy. I mean, the signs that I'm currently getting here is that, yes, it's still an uptrend, it's still looking valid, we're not reversing yet, but please be careful, because we're right now seeing in the last 3 days a pretty significant retracement. And of course, I still think if you look at the chart, we're going to go higher, but I know that we are going to see reversal anytime soon here, because we are probably going to form a bearish divergence if we're going to go higher. So please be careful. But what we're currently seeing, the 2.618 here, Fibonacci level that we're trading on. So exactly the level that we're currently trading on is providing you very good support. So yes, that is looking very exciting. And yes, I do think that we can be seeing some more volatility we can create in the coming days here. So yeah, the 5,243 US dollars is definitely a level that you can be accumulating some. So you can see that we were finding support yesterday on it as well. Also on a pretty significant drop off as well here. So yeah, I do think that we can be seeing a move to the upside getting trade. But please, the uptrend is still intact here. But please note, we can still go parabolic here, but please be careful here because, yeah, we are, of course, seeing a pretty significant retracement. And, of course, if we're going to go higher, I definitely think that we can be seeing a bearish divergence. So, please don't get overexcited on this one. I don't think it's exactly the best asset that you can be accumulating here currently. Because, yeah, you are already trading in a high. I don't know exactly what your entry price is, but hopefully you got into a very nice price here, because if you got in, let's say, on the 3,918, you can still hold on it, because I think, yeah, right now trading on support, it will be stupid to sell on support. I'd rather buy on support than sell on support, so it's definitely looking very good here. And I still think the next target is here, sitting around the 6,568 US dollars. So that's of course very exciting. But let me go into Polkastar real quickly. Let me go into Polkastar. But guys, in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We are currently sitting on 40,318 subscribers, guys. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet here, make sure to do so right now, because then you're absolutely a legend, of course. Because, guys, yeah, we are doing this every single day here. And don't forget to hit that bell notification, because it's definitely worth to do so. So, what are we currently seeing with Polkastar? And, guys, this is also an asset that I've been talking a lot about on the channel. And I mean, first of all, you could have bought it in oversold territorium. I mean, Polkastar is definitely a very exciting asset. And let me go to the different chart here, calculated by trading view. Let me see. No, it is not the one that I want to see. Let me see, Uniswap. I want to be seeing this one. Oh, no, never mind. I will be going back to the different chart. But definitely, guys, this is a very exciting coin, because I just like the fundamentals a lot. I've been an early adopter. I bought it on 40 cents, but you can't even see this on this chart. So that's pretty unfortunate. But I got into this one very cheap, very low price as well here. But let me identify some retracement levels with the information that I currently have here. Of course, I would have loved to set it a little bit lower, but unfortunately I can't right now. That you can see here, the 0.786 here providing support. Also the 0.618. Very nice support, and also providing resistance right now. And if you identify the the resist line that we're currently trading on, yeah, we are forming a new I don't know why it's not working. So we're forming also a new resist line here on the top side. So this is a very significant level of resistance, and of course a level that we really want to be breaking through, because if we can't break through this level, I definitely want to be seeing I definitely want to be seeing a breakout of this level, because otherwise I can't play bullshit here. Maybe we're forming some kind of continuation pattern, but I do want to be seeing another touch point on the lower side. I definitely think it's not out of the books that we're going to see a lower move getting created anytime soon here. Hopefully we can still see it, because yes, I mean, $1 and the $2.40 is definitely a very beautiful accumulation level. And yeah, I mean, Pulse has been exploding and right now consolidating for quite a while here, and I still definitely think it's a very good buying opportunity that you're currently getting, and I should definitely be exposed to it, because yes, it's definitely still a very big asset in my portfolio, and I still will be holding on to this as well, because yes, I do feel very excited about Polkastar. And you can see as well, previous resistance flipping into support. We're currently once again trading on support. So yeah, there's a very likely scenario that we're right now going to find a bounce to the upside. And of course, for me, it will be very important to see a breakthrough of this resist level on the top side over here. I just want to be seeing a breakthrough of this resist line over here. If we can be seeing this breakthrough, guys, we can definitely look for higher prices anytime soon here. So make sure to keep your eyes out on Polkastar, and it's definitely just very exciting what we're currently seeing. So also, Brent donated to the channel. You're saying, can you please look at Tron and Reef? So I will be going to Reef here. I mean, there's so many requests currently going in, so please make sure to only request one coin here, because otherwise I just can't do anything. So, I mean, I already want to be discovering Reef as well, so that's also the reason why we're right now doing it right away. Because yes, Reef is just a very exciting asset, Brent, and what you can currently see on Reef, we've been looking at a symmetrical triangle continuation pattern for Reef. It has been performing very well here. It's going sideways, but this is definitely the time that you want to be accumulating Reef. And guys, for the people that are still standing on the sidelines, I definitely think that Reef is going to provide us major buying opportunities in the coming days, coming hours, and I just feel very excited about it, because yes, of course, the breakout will be approximately near, of course, the apex will be near, the end of June, so we still have a lot of time to accumulate some, but guys, the closer we're coming to the apex, the more likely it will be that we're going to see a breakout anytime soon. So don't wait too long on refinance right now. For me, it's definitely an asset that you want to be getting exposed to, especially because you're seeing such a huge continuation pattern unfolding here. And of course, the potential price target to the upside, of course, will be another increase of 72%. So yeah, I mean, you can definitely buy into it. And right now, a lot of altcoins are going parabolic, and Reef will be definitely not let behind here, and will be definitely yeah, following as well. And I see also GM donating to the channel, sending a cool sticker, and you're saying hey you. So hey you as well. Hopefully you're having an amazing day here. I truly hope that you're having an amazing day, bro. So, what are we having more? So, yeah, Reef is looking good here. Continuation pattern. Want to be looking for a breakout of a resistance line here. Otherwise, I can't flip bullish yet here. But definitely, I feel very excited about it. So, people are saying Bitcoin is dumping. Bitcoin is not really dumping, guys. You want to be knowing it's just consolidating in the symmetrical triangle. We'll be going into Bitcoin more. It will be going more into Bitcoin because, yes, I know Bitcoin is leading of the market. And we always want to be looking at the leader of the market because in the end of the day, guys, the leader of the market will, Bitcoin will be just leading the altcoins with it. If Bitcoin is going to fall, probably the altcoins will be bleeding as well here. So please be careful. So G Handle donating to the channel, you're saying, can you please check Trias, please? So let me go into Trias. And guys, I can tell you one thing, tomorrow, the stream, I know the stream today is very early, or for some people very late. But tomorrow I will be doing it at the regular times that you guys used to see me being live. I know because of the time difference in Dubai, this one is pretty early for a lot of people, or pretty late. But yeah, you have to know there's a very exciting day waiting for me, and that's the reason why I'm streaming right now early. And yes, guys, I truly want to be streaming every single day for you guys because that is a thing that I love to do. And of course, I just want to be giving something back to you guys as well, and I don't want to be just not uploading or just not making content for you guys, because in the end of the day, guys, you are subscribed to the channel to see the updates about Bitcoin, and that's the reason why we are doing this every single day, of course. So what is Trias currently doing? It's been going parabolic to the upside, and you can see it is not performing. It's been performing very well here, but currently it is about to create a bearish divergence once again here. So let me look at the 1 day. The 1 day is of course currently forming a big bearish divergence, and once we're going to go higher, currently we're forming a bearish divergence, but previously also bearish divergence. So for me, G Handle, if I look to this. If I looked at this chart, I right away will be saying to you, this is not looking good and it's not looking healthy at all. And this is definitely very exciting because, definitely very concerning because you're seeing a bearish divergence first playing out, right now another bearish divergence playing out. This can definitely end in a very horrible correction, in my opinion, and you want to be very careful with it. So it looks to be that's overextended and that the run-up is almost over. Yes, we can be still going parabolic because, yeah, it looks to be that we are in the start of a parabolic trend here. And it still can be corrected very significantly to the downside. But in general, for me, if I currently look at the chart at the current state that we are at, it is too risky to hold, in my opinion. So I should rather look to different projects. Give you a possibility to give you better returns. So of course, if Bitcoin is going to increase, probably, it will be no doubt that Trias will be following as well. Just in general, Bitcoin is going to see a minor correction. I think this one will be bleeding, so please be careful. It's for me not an asset that is looking particularly well here and particularly good. That is probably going to give me the best return. So also, Eric is donating to the channel. And you're saying, is this May the month of ULAP? And I don't talk. Yes, yes, right away. But guys, you have to know, I don't say these coins for no reason in these videos for my top 5 picks for the month of May. Still, previous month, we've already seen a pretty significant increase from 50 cents. Already from 50 cents, there's approximately a 40%, 40% increasement on the level that we're currently trading on. So, yes, it is already looking very good here, and a 40% increasement is already very beautiful. But still, guys, I anticipate way higher prices, and I'm very confident. I'm very confident about this coin. And guys, this is, of course, if I say wrong coins, and I talk a lot about it, this is very bad for my reputation, it's not good. And I truly talk only about good coins, and especially a coin that I want to do. I want to get you guys into this coin because I truly think, no financial advice, you always want to do your own research, but I truly think this will be this is one sleeping gem. This is the biggest gem that I've been looking at, and I just can't wait to see where it's heading toward. I got all my friends into it, all my family. I want to get you guys into it as well, because, yeah, of course, you want to do your own research, you want to go to the site, you want to be looking what the project does, but I truly think, you can call me a moon boy, but alt season, we are in the middle of alt season, and the altcoins can be exploding out of nowhere, and this is definitely one that can be exploding, especially if we're coming towards the end of the bull run. People will be looking to secure their profits, and I just definitely think the $10 is such an easy target that we can be reaching. And of course, if we're going to reach it, for me, it will be as well life changing. And it's very exciting because, yes, like I told you before, it's already my huge biggest position in my portfolio. And I've never been so confident about a coin because I think the fundamentals are very important. And yes, I do think, Eric, to answer your question, the coming month of May will be definitely very good here. And see, Crypto Aaron also tuning in here. Amazing to see here. Absolutely cool that you're tuning into the stream here also. Damien donated to the channel here. But yeah, ULAB is definitely an asset that you want to be keeping your eyes out. And like I told you before as well on the channel, guys, previous month we were having an airdrop, what was of course pushing down the price. But right now the airdrop is behind us, and there are only good things coming towards us. Also with the roadmap, there will be a lot of development in the coming month. Also in May and June will be a very exciting month for ULAB. And I mean, you want to be looking at comparisons. Look at Forger, guys. It's exactly, yeah, not exactly, but it is a very similar project. And of course, you can see the run-up that they had. It was also absolutely insane. And I mean, it will be life-changing for all of us and for all of us. And I mean, guys, it will be very exciting because, yeah, I mean, I like to gain all together in the market because that is the lovely part about crypto, guys. And that is also a thing why I started this channel. I don't want to be selfish. I want to be gaining all together. And that is the reason why I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. And also the reason why I'm trying to get you guys with it as well. So very exciting, and I just can't wait to see what it's going to do. And I mean, yeah, I just can't wait. I just can't wait, guys. And hopefully you're liking the project as well. Of course, you don't want to be just blindly applying into it. First, do your research, because I always say, don't listen to people on the internet. Don't listen to me. First, do your own research. Of course, you can be listening to me, and because you're listening to me, you can be doing your own research. That's good, but don't just buy blind into it. Always, yeah, it's always, you have to buy at your own risk here. So make sure to do your research, because it will be also very beneficial for you. Because I mean, I've learned myself a lot here. I came from nowhere, and right now, of course, doing a very good job. But guys, it's very important to also do your own research, because a lot of people just blindly buy into coins, and I don't want you guys to do that. Of course, I know it's a good project, but I also want to be educating you guys. And if you want to be learning something, you want to be doing your own research, and then you will be finding out why I think it's such a good project. So Damien donating to the channel. Damien is saying, can you please check Silo? Super solid project, already partnered with Coca-Cola. That's pretty insane. And only 20 million market capitalization, and it's under a penny. So, I mean, that it's under a penny doesn't matter. It's just all about the market capitalization. Let me look at Silo. So, right away, big mistake that a lot of people are making. It's under a penny. But guys, it doesn't really matter. No, it does not matter. It's all about the market capitalization. So, if they partnered up with Coca-Cola, it's pretty insane that they did so. So, yeah, I don't know exactly what it is. Of course, I want to do my own research about it to really say it's true. So, of course, a lot of people are talking about certain things here. And, I mean, it's currently less than KuCoin, so that's nice. Also, Uniswap. Of course, don't know exactly anything about this project. 20 million market cap, still pretty low here. Let's see what we have here, because it's on KuCoin. We have this chart, of course. I think it's pretty new here. It's still pretty new, of course. I mean, it's already around here since the 20th of May. 2020 May. So it's of course been performing very well here. Was not doing anything, but then it shoot up to the moon here. Very hard to give my exact thoughts about it. Looks to be that we're forming some kind of a symmetrical triangle here currently, and that we are already seeing the breakout. This can be pushing up the price pretty significantly as well. Let me draw it from this point here. I just rather like it a little bit more from here. So yeah, guys, looks to be that this one was forming a symmetrical triangle. Of course, continuation pattern. We can be seeing some higher price anytime soon. Of course, after you are in a run up here and also creating this symmetrical triangle, we can be seeing maybe for you, my friend, for Damien, another 50% increase. And because the market capitalization is so low, yes, the risk is higher, but the potential reward can also be way higher. So let me see about who is more. I see Drew also still in the stream here. Drew, thank you for tuning in here. Guys, sorry, I truly tried to look at the chat as much as possible. And guys, if you haven't already, I see, oh guys, we already have 40.3 3k and of course 29 subscribers. So if we can be smashing it up to 40.4k, will be amazing if we can do so today here. And guys, you have to know, if you still want to be joining the giveaway that we are currently doing on our Discord channel, just go here to the live chat, click on this one, and you can be joining the Discord server as well, because that will be very amazing if you can do so. Of course, the chat is a little bit lagging behind, but I have it on my second screen, so make sure to always chat here in the chat, because I will be always seeing your requests, etc. coming in. But guys, in the meantime, I want to be asking one thing here. I want to be asking you one thing, guys. I currently see that we are having 262 likes, guys. Can we be smashing it up to 300 likes? That will be absolutely insane, because then we can be, of course, going to the next target. And of course, if you are hitting that like button, I always enjoy it, because yeah, you guys are so supportive. So hopefully we can be doing it right now. Would be, of course, very amazing if you can do so. So guys, if you haven't already, make sure to smash up the like button. Would be very amazing. So guys, let me go back into the next request here. I see Georgie Flacker donating to the channel. Probably I pronounced your name completely incorrect, but you are saying, do you have an opinion about AMP and Flexa? In my opinion, AMP It's a very undervalued gem. Again, I mean, guys, you're coming up with a lot of gems here, and of course, if the coin is very low cap, the chances of me, I mean, this is not an AMP is not really low cap, to be honest. If the coin is very low cap, guys, and very undervalued, for me, the chances of knowing it is very small, because yeah, you have to know there are almost 10,000 cryptocurrencies, and it's very exciting, of course, but there's so many cryptocurrencies that I just find it very hard to know everything, of course, and do want to be doing more research. And of course, today, this coming month for me is very busy because I have a lot of appointments, etc. But will definitely do my best to talk about every single thing, of course. So this one is a straightforward interface through the system. So let me, yeah, pretty exciting. So yeah, what is currently sitting on 63 cents here. And let me go. I mean, AMP is of course not a coin that is very unknown. I mean, I've been looking into it, but not exactly looking in the fundamentals. And yeah, you can see also on this chart, you're creating a lot of these continuation patterns, and after yeah, breaking out of such a continuation pattern, you of course created more volatility to the upside. So this is of course very exciting. Continuation pattern was formed, and you broke higher. Right now, once again, continuation pattern was getting formed, and you broke higher. So definitely very exciting. And what you can currently see as well, guys, for the people that are wondering, for the people that are maybe into AMP, you can see continuation pattern what's getting formed, and you're breaking out to the upside once again here. So what can be the potential price target? You can be, of course, pushing up a little bit higher towards the yeah, 7.5 cents here. So it's definitely very exciting. AMP compared to USD Tether looking good here. I definitely think that we can be heading towards the 8 cents here. Because yeah, once again, you're breaking out of a continuation pattern, and it's looking very healthy, Georgie. So yeah, can't wait to see what we're going to do, and definitely feel very excited. And guys, I think I catched up with the super chat, so this is of course very exciting. And let me see what the chat is currently saying. Let me see what the chat is currently saying. So hopefully, yeah, you benefited a little bit from it. So guys, let me see. We already smashed it up to 300 likes, guys. You are insane. You are insane. Let me look at the chat here. Let me look at the chat. Sorry, where's the chart? So let me go back into Bitcoin as well here. So Dave Reese, he's once again in the chat here. And I know you sent me a DM on Instagram, guys. And if you haven't already followed me over here, definitely make sure to do so. But you are saying, have you looked at Glitch today? I mean, I have not looked at it, but I know it's of course always very exciting to look at Glitch. Of course, we have not looked into it on the stream, but yeah, I mean, Dave Reese, I mean, my friend. Yeah, you're a true legend. I mean, you're a true legend, of course. Definitely, guys. Dave Reese, I mean, you're of course very exciting, and of course, Glitch has been performing once again very good, 26% to the upside. Seeing this insane surge to the upside getting created, and I told you guys that I mean, I bought into it because of Dave Reese. So, guys, if you have some good coins that I have to buy into, make sure to just drop them in the comment section. And usually, if you're very confident about a certain coin, I usually look into it. And of course, once I see a coin getting mentioned a lot, I look into it, do research, and maybe sometimes I buy into it. So I mean, Glitch is a coin that I bought into, so it's very exciting to see performing very well here, and I just can't wait to see what how it will be performing like, of course. So yeah, Dave Reese, true legend, of course. And see, people are asking me how's Dubai going. It's absolutely good, guys. For I just want to be saying it once again. For the people that are still wondering, today will be one of the most important days for me in my life. It's of course a very exciting day, and if you haven't already followed me on Instagram, definitely make sure to do so, because I am going to do something very, very insane. I'm going to do something very insane, and of course for me, it will be yeah, one of the most important things. Yeah, one of the most craziest things I've ever done here. If you want to be seeing it, you just want to be following me on Instagram, because I will be on. This will be special Instagram content, special Instagram content. So make sure to follow me over there. It's definitely worth it, because if you're going to see my story today, I mean, yeah, it's just very exciting for me personally. It's definitely a step in the right direction, and for me personally as well, it's definitely a thing that I've that's been on my bucket list for such a long period of time, and of course finally going to do it. I mean, there are so many things on my bucket list I'm also going to do over here. I mean, I'm going to skydive, etc. So there's of course a lot of exciting things are going to come my way. I mean, I've never skydived before in my life, and also going to do it above the Palm Island, so that's also a cool thing. Probably will be posting a lot about it on Instagram. And I mean, also I'm talking a lot, if you're wondering, sometimes I also do a lot of these crypto updates just on my Instagram. If I see something interesting, I just make a quick update about 10 seconds or so about what we're seeing. That's also very exciting about there. So VeChain, a lot of VeChain coming in. So guys, let me discuss once again VeChain, because yeah, I mean, I already discussed it, but of course, if you guys are all asking me about VeChain, oh no, wait, I did not discuss it yet. I'm sorry. Sorry, I did not discuss it yet. I thought I discussed it already. So what are we currently seeing with VeChain? I mean, first of all, we were seeing a symmetrical triangle getting formed here. Exactly, you can see here this price target of course, sitting around the 33 cents here. Exactly, not get reached here. So what do I think about VeChain? And do we want to be buying into it, guys? I mean, I've been talking about VeChain for quite a long time here on the channel, and my thoughts have not been changed yet here. So I was telling to you guys, yes, I do love VeChain, but I will be not buying into it because it's too overextended currently, and we are going to see a major correction. And since that point, guys, I mean, you can't say that I have told you guys to go out of VeChain on the top here, because we were seeing, of course, VeChain having an insane parabolic run up, and a lot of people were asking me, what do you think about VeChain? Will you be buying up here? No, I will be not, because guys, we were seeing the structure currently playing out, and I mean, I've been talking about identifying market structure, guys, and that is very important. What you want to be doing, you want to be, if you're in crypto, you want to be, before buying into a coin, you want to be identifying the market structure. What you could have seen over here, guys, is that we were having an insane run up over here, and of course we were going sideways on the top, what was of course ending in the buying pressure. Buying pressure was losing, and we were probably going to see a significant correction. So I was saying, guys, consolidation on the top of a parabolic run-up is always bad, and that's also the reason why I told you guys, please go out of it. And of course, after that, we were seeing this retracement. And will I be currently saying? I will be currently saying to also not buy into it. And the reason why here, guys, you may be wondering, but VeChain has been such a good asset, it's such good fundamentals. But guys, I know it has good fundamentals, and I know probably the likelihood that we're going to set a new all-time high is very high. It's very high, the likelihood of setting a new all-time high. But guys, you want to be knowing, is it really worth the risk that you're going to attach it to buy into it right now? Because guys, we're definitely in a downtrend, and if we're going to go set a higher high, we're going to create a major bearish divergence on the daily candles. We're going to create major bearish divergence on the 4-hourly candles, and a bearish divergence will be, of course, pushing down the price once again here. So the market structure is looking not very healthy right now for the price section of VeChain, and that is the reason why I'm staying away from it and buying into different projects that are looking more healthy, that have not pumped yet here. Because yes, guys, I'd rather buy into a coin that is sitting at these lower stages, that still has to have this parabolic run-up. But VeChain just is done with this parabolic run-up, and right now what it's very likely to see here is a lot of consolidation for VeChain. So is it really going to give me the best amount of returns? And that is very important in my portfolio. I don't want to be buying into coins that already pump so significantly. I don't want to be buying into coins that are so overextended. And of course, I do see right now is that VeChain, of course, is correcting. The buying strength is losing, and as well, if you flip onto the MACD, guys, I mean, you can right away identify we're in a bearish crossover. Of course, we can still go higher, but if we're going to go higher, we're going to see bearish divergence getting created, and you're probably going to get wrecked here. So that is the reason why I'm saying, yes, there's a likelihood of getting a new all-time high is very likely, but after that, there's definitely an imminent correction. So, I mean, for me, it's not really worth the risk to buy into it over here, because yes, we can also easily go lower from that point as well. So for me, it's just not worth to buy into it. The risk is too high. Besides that, the MACD trend is shifting to the downside on the daily candles. Of course, the 4-hourly is looking good here. 4-hourly is first of all, yeah, we're losing buying strength, but also, yeah, I'm saying looking good, but it's looking pretty bearish. So we're setting lower highs, also lower lows. So yeah, definitely the MACD is still on the downtrend. I mean, it looks to be that we're once again creating a lower low, so we can be possibly going a little bit lower. So I mean, MACD is also not looking particularly good here. So that's the reason why I'm currently staying away from VeChain. And I know it's a very good asset. The fundamentals are very good. And of course, I know once the fundamentals are very good, it can also still correct. I mean, just look at YLD, just look at Ethereum. I mean, Ethereum is not even having the best fundamentals in my opinion, but look at Binance Coin, etc. It does not always have to be going up if the fundamentals are also very good. So please be careful. The chart is also very important, and don't get overexcited, of course, guys. So I see a lot of requests for Chainlink coming in as well. So guys, let me discuss a little bit of Chainlink. I mean, I can't say it once again. For the people. First of all, before I go into this chart, guys, I can't say that my price target is very good set here, guys. Once again, go back into the videos, go back to the channel, go to my top 5 picks of the month, or go back in my previous streams here. I was telling everyone, $50 is my take profit target for my trades, not for my spot account. I've not took any profits on my spot account, but on my trades, I did. So what you can currently see here, we exactly touched this level, and even, I mean, I've not adjusted this line here. You can see perfect resistance, psychological resistance, and also it comes together with the take profit target of the symmetrical triangle. So yes, guys, I've been accumulating, I've been anticipating this run up here, but I already took profits on my trading position. And if you still want to be signing up with Femex or Bybit in the description, it would be amazing if you're doing so. And guys, you want to be knowing there will be an insane competition coming, here. I will be doing another training challenge, guys. I'm going to do a 10 or 20. I will probably be doing a 10k to 40, or 10k to 50k, or 20k to 100k. I mean, one of them I will be doing. and I will be doing it with swing trades. So guys, if you are feeling excited as well, I definitely do feel very excited. So I can't wait to see when we are going to accumulate the position. Of course, if I'm going to start up the new training challenge, I will be doing it in the next drop off for Bitcoin, and I do expect it to be near the end of the month or so. So guys, make sure to keep your eyes out on the channel. I will be doing this challenge, and of course I'm going to we're going to do it all together, and we'll be fully transparent. Probably if I'm going to do it, I will be making a special video about my complete setup, because I will be, of course, setting up multiple levels that I will be buying into. Like I told you before, I will be setting these exact levels up, and I will be making a special video about it, how I'm going to do it, when I'm going to do it, which levels, on which coin. Probably it will be Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is a safe asset to trade. And then we can be taking these trades all together. And of course, it really depends. I say 20k to 100k. You can also do it with 1k. You can, but of course, in the end of the day, you do it with the quantity, but minus, you can do it whatever with how much money you want. But I will be probably doing it with 20k towards 100k. You can be joining me. I can be probably maybe also doing it with 10k. Really depends on what you don't necessarily have to have 20k as well here, but it's more because I want to be doing it, and of course I want to be bringing you guys with it and show you how you can become a good swing trader. Because in the end of the day, guys, I've been recently doing more and more swing trades, and it's been working very good for me, and that's the reason why I also want to be getting you guys with it as well. So I mean, I just can't wait to see what we're going to do. And people are saying VeChain is bullish, but VeChain, guys, I've just discussed it. You can be going back in a second. But you can say it's bullish, but in my opinion, we're seeing definitely a momentum shift on MACD, and the RSI is also not looking very healthy. So, of course, we are seeing a break of the symmetrical triangle. Like I told you before, we can still go higher, but please be careful. There can be some big bearish divergence. So yeah, Chainlink reaching the target. Let's talk about Chainlink. I mean, we are in the end of the day here looking at the Chainlink chart. Not the VeChain chart. So, Chainlink, of course, finding resistance on the $50. Very likely target to find some resistance on. And guys, it's so hot in my room. Let me get my aircon on for a second. Let me get my aircon on. Give me a second. My air conditioning. So, it's so hot in my room, guys. It's so hot in my room. It's absolutely, outside it's 36 degrees. It's absolutely crazy. But let me go back to this. So it's absolutely warm in my room, guys. People are saying VeChain is blue. Now, I mean, you can draw differently. It didn't break yet. I mean, yeah, of course, about VeChain. I can go back into VeChain in a second. But guys, yeah, maybe you're approaching it a little bit different. But I mean, I already drew this chart for, let's say, 2 weeks ago. So XRP breakout. Yeah, people are saying it's pretty funny. So yeah, Chainlink, of course, running into the resistance. But guys, also, if you set up the Fibonacci chart from this angle over here, and what you can see over here, Crypto Arm is saying, can you check Rari? So I can be looking into that in a second. But guys, if you look to this extension levels here on the price section of Chainlink, very important chart for me that we are currently looking at is of course the 1.618 here is providing a major resistance in the past here. You can see two major resistances over here, major rejections over here, but right now once breaking above it, you're retesting it, and of course already had a successful retest to the upside. Right now retesting it once again, but you want to be careful with Chainlink as well here, because yeah, of course we were not very overextended yet, so I do think that we can even go way higher from this point that we're currently trading on. But yeah, definitely, guys, you want to be careful, because we are of course probably going to create a bearish divergence if we're going to set a new all-time high, but definitely we're trading on support. And for me, we were not so overextended, so for me this is definitely a good accumulation level if you're not exposed yet here, because yes, guys, I mean, I've been talking about the potential price target for Chainlink, and I mean, yeah, we are still another 30% away from our price target, and I will be not taking my profits on Chainlink before reaching this price target, because yes, guys, I still definitely think that we can see this price target getting reached there. So, you're talking way too fast, bro. Please calm down, okay? Let me take a quick sip of my coffee, and I will be calming down, guys. I will be calming down. So, give me a second. Definitely very exciting, guys. XRP to me. Everyone's talking about XRP in chat. I have to go into XRP in a second once again, guys. Let me see how much subscribers we currently got. Already 43, guys. Can we be smashing it up? If you are not subscribed to the channel, guys, if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so right now. Because, yeah, you're becoming part of an amazing community, of course. And besides that, guys, we are currently having 310 likes. Can we be smashing it up to 400? I definitely think we can. Watching with 822 people, guys. 822 people. I know it's only taking a few seconds of your time. It's only taking a few seconds of your time if you want to be smashing up this like button. So, guys, if you haven't already, currently having 310 likes. If you haven't already, make sure to smash it. Make it blue right now, because then you're a truly legend, of course, and we can be looking for higher prices. But for Chainlink, I mean, I do just feel very excited. And I see so many people talking about Lycon and XRP. Guys, give me a second. We'll be going back in a moment. I know you guys feel very excited, and I think you guys want me to talk about XRP the whole day. But definitely, we'll be talking about it in a second. But yeah, for Link, guys, still feel very excited about it. Also, Chainlink re-entering this channel, very symmetrical triangle, maybe on Chainlink compared to Ethereum. Yeah, in general, very good and very healthy. Oh yeah, I mean the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart is a chart that I've been anticipating for quite a long time here. I mean, I truly think that we're going to start a new trend to the upside, of course, a new parabolic trend here. So yeah, Chainlink is definitely an asset that you want to keep your eyes out on, guys, because otherwise you're probably going to get wrecked here. So that are exactly at $1. Very cool. And guys, by the way, also recently in the Discord, maybe you saw the project of FNDZ here coming by. You probably will be seeing some more about it anytime soon here. If you got in the pre-sale, will be very cool. I got also in the pre-sale. Very exciting project. Bought for 7 cents. And yeah, probably you're going to see a lot about it on crypto YouTube in general, because it's a very big project, guys, and you want to keep your eyes on it. If you haven't seen it yet here, go to the announcement of Discord. You can still read. Probably you can't get in the pre-sale anymore, because there were so many applications. And guys, I'm working with some big partners together and some other big people as well in the cryptocurrency space. So definitely very exciting days ahead of us. So let me go once again back into XRP, but I mean, because yes, so many people talking about XRP. So many people talk about XRP that I just have to talk about it once again here, because yes, they've been seeing that XRP has been correcting in the past hour, and you can see here past hour is a major correction for XRP. And what are we currently seeing? Do you want to be worrying? I mean, guys, yeah, we are seeing, of course, correction from the $1.71 here, but for me, no, I mean, I'm not worried at all about XRP. I still anticipate XRP is going towards the towards the I mean, $3 for the coming month of May is easily done here for XRP. But besides that, guys, I think $2 is a major take profit area, and we are not there yet here, so I will be not taking profits yet on my XRP. You can see right now having a major correction. Maybe it will be providing you guys the buying or long trade opportunity, because yes, guys, you can be also trading your XRP long here on Bybit if you want to be doing so. You can be signing up with the referral link in the description. $1,080 bonus. Insane bonus. I mean, I can't say it's not a good bonus. It's absolutely the biggest bonus that I've ever been here in the cryptocurrency space. But I mean, the $1.56 here is definitely your accumulation level. You can be seeing perfect retest of this resist line. Previously, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections here, and since breaking above it, you retested it and went higher. So if we're going to get another retest, guys, it's definitely providing a good buying opportunity. And in my opinion, I should not be hesitating to buy some XRP at this level. So I do feel very excited about it, and I can't stress enough about it, because it probably will be giving you even better returns in the coming hours. So of course, because Bitcoin is falling a little bit here, XRP is falling basically. So for the people that are wondering what is Bitcoin currently doing, do we want to be freaking out of Bitcoin? Bitcoin is almost heading towards support once again here, guys. We're almost trading on support here. You can see the 56.6k is major support. We're almost going to touch that level. So for me, it's not really a thing to worry about for Bitcoin. So please don't worry worry with me as well. I don't think it's real. For me, there's no reason to panic sell about Bitcoin right now. I still think, yes, guys, we are still trading in the symmetrical triangle, and this is a very important pattern that I will be anticipating. So for the people that are wondering, Rover, why should you be anticipating this? Because this can be giving us a potential price target and potential move of another 25% to the upside. And of course, like I told you before, I see some issues with the stream, so everything should be working once again. So guys, like I told you before, please, please don't think that we're going to reach a price target in just a matter of a few days. Or please don't think that we're going to see the price target getting reached in a few days here. It will be, of course, taking a longer period of time. But I see the stream having some issues. My internet connection having some issues. So that is pretty unfortunate. Let me correctly fix this, because it's pretty unfortunate that the connection is, of course, so poor right now. I don't know what is going on. Is it still working? Guys, let me know in the chat if it's still working. Guys, let me know in the chat if it's still working, because my it's giving me some issues right now. It's lagging. It's lagging. Guys, let me know in the chat if it's still working. It will be amazing. Let me see what we're going to do. So hopefully it's still working, and hopefully we're still going to do good here. So Frank XRP is saying to me right now, when is VeChain going to hit Coinbase? I mean, I mean, yeah, that's a very good question. It's still working. Yeah, okay, so everything is still working. That's fine. That's fine. So when is VeChain going to hit Coinbase? We don't know. Probably it will. I know almost for sure it will. Because yeah, VeChain is a very highly anticipated coin. So yeah, if it's going to reach Coinbase, I mean, just lagging a little bit here. Yeah, I mean, guys, sorry for me for the connection. It should be working right now. It's green again. So it was just orange, so there was a little bit of lag, a little bit of delay. It's still working. But yeah, let's see how this will be ending. Definitely still think, yeah, it will be performing good, man. But guys, for the people that's still asking me about VeChain, I mean, yes, it can be probably hitting, yeah, Coinbase anytime soon here, but please don't get overexcited. And of course, if you look at the daily candles, you can be drawing this chart a little bit different. And I saw some people talking about we've not seen the breakout yet. And of course, yeah, you can be approaching it different on the daily candles. And I completely agree with you on the daily candles. You can be approaching it a little bit different. Let's see how this will be performing like on the daily candles, but still. Even though, guys, if we're going to see a breakout, you don't want to be over rushing things. You please don't be over rushing this, because yes, we will be probably still seeing a breakout towards the upside. But in my opinion, this will be you want to be very careful. You want to be very careful, because if we're going to see a breakout of this level, we're probably not going to see the significance playing out here. I don't think that we're going to reach price target. Of course, the price target for VeChain breaking out to the upside will be around 33 cents here. But people, please be careful. After a parabolic run position, it's still a symmetrical triangle. No, it's a continuation pattern. But the RSI and the MACD is giving me all bearish signs here, and if we're going to see reverse to the upside, we're definitely going to create a huge bearish diverge as well on the daily, as well on the weekly, as well on the monthly. So please be careful, because yes, the monthly candle close is also, I mean, the monthly will be not forming a bearish diverge, but the weekly definitely will. And of course, the weekly and daily and 4 hour, all these time frames forming bearish divergence, this will be definitely pushing down the price. So please be careful, don't be over rushing anything. So thanks, Frank XRP, once again donating to the channel. Thank you for support of the nation. You were saying, what do you think about student coin? I mean, I don't exactly know what student coin is. I mean, guys, there are so many new projects getting launched here. I mean, the market capitalization is unknown here. Volume 1.5 million. It's been performing pretty well here in the recent days. It's had a big run up here, but sitting on 3.1 cents here. Was here sitting? You already did a 10x here in just a matter of a few months. Yeah, 2 or 3 months. So I mean, for me, it's very hard to give my thoughts about this one. What do I think about it? I don't know it. And I mean, the chart is also not giving me any significance. So for me, it's very hard to give my opinion about this one. So guys, let me go into Litecoin. Because Litecoin is also a highly anticipated coin here on the channel. Highly anticipated coin on the channel, guys. Let me see. Oh, guys, we are heading towards the 40.4k. Absolutely insane that we are doing this once again. I'm supporter. Oh, I'm a supporter. Okay. That's nice to know. But guys, yeah, we already smashed it up to 400 likes. That's absolutely cool. That's absolutely cool to see. 400 likes already. You guys, you are smashing it up just like always. Just like always, you are smashing it up. Thank you so much. So, what you can see, Litecoin, it's been doing very well here. Been doing very well. So, Crypto Aaron, you're saying it once again. Can you look into Ravi? Sorry, I forgot it, my friend. Let me set it up already. We'll be looking into it in a second. But first, guys, let me discuss Litecoin, because yes, guys, yesterday in the stream, we did a stream as well here, guys. If you haven't seen it already, you can always see it over here. You can still go back to it, but I mean, I should just recommend this one. But yeah, you can look at Litecoin. Yesterday in the stream, we were discussing this important level of the 334 US dollars that we want to be closing above. So yeah, we saw the daily candle close above it, and since seeing the daily candle close above that level, of course, it's looking very good. And I told everyone, please don't overrush things, but wait for a retest of the 334 US dollars once again here. And what you can currently see as well here, we had this perfect retest of the 334 US dollars, and you right now are seeing that major good retest. And of course, this retest can be providing another leg up here, because yeah, right now currently you're exactly trading on this level, and on this level you should be really embracing your buying opportunity, in my opinion, and you can be looking for higher prices anytime soon here. So guys, yeah, the 334 US dollars for Litecoin is definitely a very good level that you can be accumulating some on. So I definitely feel very excited about it, and I can't wait to see where we're heading towards. But yeah, in my opinion, if we're staying away from it, it's not very smart in my opinion. I mean, Litecoin also forming this upper sloping resistance line, right now trading on support. Fibonacci also coming together, guys. We are looking in a very healthy uptrend, and you're buying the support right now. And it looks to be that Litecoin is still about to go parabolic, and it's not done yet here. So please, just like you can see in the past there, I think Litecoin has a lot of potential. And besides that, guys, I've been talking about the Litecoin compared to Bitcoin chart for so many days right now on the channel. I've been talking about it for so many days, and you can see falling wedge scenario getting formed here. Falling wedge breaking out to the upside. Continuation pattern was getting created. Symmetrical triangle was over here getting created. And right now we're pushing even higher. And still, you have to know, I've been talking about it before the breakout, guys. Once again, we have been early adopters of Litecoin as well here. We've been trading Litecoin around the $200, but I was saying around the approximately was sitting around 0.4% of a Bitcoin. I was saying to you guys, it is looking very healthy, and right now we're sitting on 0.6% of Bitcoin, so this is of course already a 50% increasement. But yeah, from the point that we're currently trading on, we still are going to see another 65% increasement compared to Bitcoin, because that is just the price. 65, I mean 70% increasement, because that is the price target of this falling wedge breaking out right now. So yes, I still feel very excited about Litecoin. It has way more potential, and of course, having this perfect retest of this Fibonacci chart, guys, and this Fibonacci setup from the swing high to the swing low, so this will be showing us a lot of significance, and I do feel it's just a very important chart to look at, and it is looking very healthy. It is looking very good as well. So yeah, Litecoin is for me right now giving all green signs here. Litecoin is giving me the bullish signals right now, so I definitely should be saying, yeah, it's not a bad time to accumulate a long trade position. It's not a bad time to accumulate your spot position as well. So it's very, very good to see. And of course, I definitely think you are getting a very good buying opportunity. So Mohammed donated to channel. You're saying, can you look at Telcoin? So let me go into Telcoin. I mean, I will be going into Rory. In a second. So I mean, this one has been correcting pretty significantly. We'll be going into it in a second. Sitting on P500, it's pretty low cap, so collectible NFT. So it's very exciting. Of course, I've been more and more buying into NFT recently, because I think it's pretty valued. Do you mind putting the chat in slow mode, Dan? Thank you, sir. I mean, it's already in slow mode. It's already in slow mode, if I say it correctly. It's already in slow mode, but I can be even putting it slower if you want me. Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat if you want me even to put it lower. So what you can currently see, Telcoin here, yeah, it's absolutely mooning. But for me, guys, it's so hard to give my opinion about a coin that is going exponential to the upside, because yeah, the only thing that I can say is that you want to be careful. And you can see the MACD, guys, it's absolutely insane what you currently can see here. MACD, of course, absolutely skyrocketing to the upside. And for me, it's very hard to give my exact thoughts about this. For me, it's just too hard to really give my opinion about this, because yeah, I mean, it's just very hard to talk about it. It's just very hard to talk about it. Okay, it should be okay. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Aaron. So yeah, what you can currently see, oh, that was my my desktop. But guys, what you can see, I mean, Telcoin is just too hard to give my opinion about, Mohammed. You're absolutely overextended. For me to really give you my thoughts about it, and my RSI is all gone. I don't know why. But yeah, for me to really give my thoughts about this one, I mean, you just want to be staying away from it, in my opinion. And I mean, yeah, this is pretty important that my RSI is right now reset once again. So let me quickly fix this one, because I don't like it in these colors, and like this. So yeah, for me, the RSI is too overextended. For me, it's just a coin that you should be staying away from. If you're taking some profits, definitely very worth it, and probably there are some fundamental reasons behind it. But for me, it's very hard to read it and do my live research on it, because that's of course, yeah, we don't always do live research. And maybe we can be doing some special shorts. For currently, we are doing only technical analysis. So thank you for donation, but very hard to give my opinion about it. So I see also different donation coming in for Polkadot. So let me go in a second into Polkadot. But first, let me discuss Rari, because that was also a request from someone, from Aaron, of course. I mean, my friend Rari has been it's been looking very well, looking very healthy. Since coming on the market, seeing a pretty significant drop off, of course. But yeah, for me, once again, such a chart is very hard to give your thoughts on. And I mean, yeah, you were forming a very critical low, downward sloping resistance line over here. It looks to be that you're forming some kind of a falling wedge, of course. And this is looking very good, because yeah, you are breaking the downward sloping resistance line, and this is of course a very important level that you want to be breaking, because since seeing this breakthrough of this level, you can be looking for some higher prices anytime soon here. And I just feel very excited about this coin if you just in general look at this chart, because yeah, you are currently seeing, of course, the downward sloping resistance line getting broken, and you can be maybe looking to shift the trend once again to the upside. So that's of course a good thing to see, and also a very exciting thing. Besides that, the MACD on the daily candles is looking very healthy. You can see a high low getting formed here, bullish crossover on the daily. So this one is looking particularly good here, in my opinion. You are buying the lows, Aaron, so that's already a very good thing to do so. So yeah, of course, I don't know exactly the fundamentals, but looking very good. And it looks to be that it has way more room to grow to the upside, and you're buying the lows, and that's the thing that I like, of course. So let me go into Polkadot, because that was a request as well. Polkadot, of course, very exciting Polkadot, of course. Let me see how it's been performing, of course. Maybe you're saying Polkadot has been lagging behind a little bit here, but guys, you can be also looking for Polkadot at this interesting symmetrical triangle. And what you can currently see, I mean, we're looking at Polkadot at the exact perfect time here. People are saying Ethereum is dropping. Yeah, Ethereum is currently trading on $3,400. Can be discussing Ethereum in a second here. But yeah, what you can see currently with Polkadot, we are of course trading on this very important level. We are right now having a perfect retest, guys. We are having a perfect retest of this symmetrical triangle. We are having this perfect retest here right now on the 38 US dollars and 34 cents. And this is, of course, a major buying opportunity that you're currently getting. And this is definitely very exciting, in my opinion. And, of course, since seeing this retest, I definitely think you can be going higher. Besides that, I think you can be creating a wick because you're, of course, also trading on daily support. You can see major support. I've been talking about this level. If we can be closing above this level over here that we just recently did, I definitely think that we are looking bullish. So the likelihood of creating a wick that we, on the point that we're currently trading on, it's very high, in my opinion. And, I don't know if you already noticed, but your face cam is lagging every 5 seconds. So that can be a connection issue, I think, because yeah, there can be a possibility for a connection issue. Yeah, I see it. Sometimes I just like yesterday, I told you guys I had to have a new connection, have to get a different connection. And this is probably because of the connection. It's not of my face cam, because yeah, on my screen it's working, of course, perfectly. But it's of course a thing that I have to deal with right now. And yeah, Polkadot compared to USDT, guys, of course, we're seeing this downward slope resistance line getting formed here. And yeah, you can see a perfect retest on Polkadot. And besides the daily support, you can see here resistance was getting created, support was getting created. So the likelihood of creating a big, and we still, of creating a wick here on the lower side, and we still have another 17 hours on the candle, is very high. And I should definitely say to you, right now, it's definitely a good time to accumulate some Polkadot. So, I mean, the chart is looking very good here, and it's looking very healthy, and I just can't wait to see where it's heading towards. Besides that, if you look at Polkadot compared to Bitcoin, it's always good to buy the support, and we've been talking about it as well here. Of course, we're right now heading towards the resistance line on the top side, so if we can be seeing the breakthrough of the top side, I definitely feel very excited about it, because if we can be seeing this breakthrough on the top side of resistance, guys, we can be looking for higher prices anytime soon here. And if we are going to see the higher price getting reached here, of course, it's the second time they're retesting it. The more times you're retesting a certain level of resistance, the more likely it will be that we are, of course, going to break through this level. And, of course, can see some higher price for Polkadot compared to Bitcoin. So that will be, of course, very exciting. And in general, I do feel that Polkadot has a lot of room to grow here. And, of course, since breaking through this daily level of, yeah, Bitcoin resistance, daily level of USD resistance, it is very exciting. And also breaking this down. So the resistance line, guys, I do feel very excited about Polkadot, and it have a lot of potential in my opinion. So I can't wait to see what's going to go towards, but I definitely feel very excited about it. And see so many people talking about, please talk about the XRP. But guys, I've been talking about the XRP for so many times already on the channel. So yeah, it will be amazing, of course. But guys, what you can currently see here, let me quickly look at the likes. I see that we are currently having 456 likes, guys. Can we be smashing it up? Can we be smashing it up to 400? I mean, 500 likes. I mean, so that's another 34 likes, guys. 43 likes. So can we be smashing up another 43 likes? It would be amazing if we can do so, because guys, if we can do that, that would be, of course, very amazing for me. And I know that you guys usually, oh, I mean, I see Dean Harvey also tuning in here, but guys, I know you guys usually can be yeah, really smashing up these likes very quickly. So guys, make the like button blue, make sure to do so. And I see Dean Harvey is tuning in here. Cool that you're here, Dean Harvey. I haven't seen you for quite a long time here, so thank you for tuning in once again here. Hopefully you're having an amazing day here in Australia, guys. Absolutely amazing. When is the MACD indicator course coming? I mean, guys, I will be promising you. I will be. Today is a very busy day for me. Tomorrow I will be having. Yeah, probably. No, tomorrow I have to record something differently because there's a special video coming as well. So probably it will be coming. Probably this week. It will be coming this week. And this week I will be explaining to you guys. And I see the connection is still. Sometimes I mean I have to say it to the hotel owners, because I see the connection is becoming red for me sometimes. So it's lagging a little bit here. And that's the reason why the face cam is also a little bit lagging. So yesterday it was working all fine here, but maybe they did something with my internet, because every time I have to say something about it. But yeah, guys, very excited, of course, what it's going to do here. But of course, I will be working on that indicator video in a second, guys. Of course, it's a very good thing that you're saying. And someone is asking me, Rover, where are you? I'm currently in Dubai. So of course, very excited. Too early for me. I was still at work. Yeah, I mean, we'll be this stream today is very early today, because yeah, I'm going to do something very special. If you want to be seeing what I'm going to do today, definitely make sure to follow me on Instagram. I just removed it, but yeah, go to the Instagram at CryptoRoverYT here on Instagram. If you haven't followed me already, it's definitely worth to do so. Yeah, I mean, already 25 of you guys followed me. Guys, make sure to keep your eyes on the Instagram channel, because today will be a very, very exciting day on the Instagram. If you are interested in it, of course, definitely make sure to follow it. So, folks, that's what donating to the channel. You're saying, I'm shorting Dogecoin and Ethereum Classic. We'll be fine. Would it be fine to hold? I mean, to hold, it's always fine, but for Dogecoin, I mean, of course, in limited supply, for me, it's, yeah, Dogecoin is too overextended. People are hyping it up. People are saying, I mean, I've been talking to a lot of people as well here, and they've been giving their opinion as well on Dogecoin, and of course, I think it's very exciting what we're currently seeing with Dogecoin. And see Raymond as well becoming once again another month a member. So Raymond, very cool that you're tuning in once again to the channel and become once again another member here of the channel. So truly amazing. Welcome, Raymond. I mean, Raymond is already the third month of the. Yeah, you are if you said correctly, you are already 3 months a member of the channel. So true legend here. Probably your color will be shifting as well anytime soon here. But yeah, for Dogecoin, guys, you want to be careful. Of course, so many people are buying it purely because of the Sunday the Saturday night live show here because of for Elon Musk here. But please don't be the one who's getting wrecked as well. Don't be. It will be very interesting the 8th of May. But usually, guys, what happens? This is always the same as well with 420, guys. People are buying it towards the day. And on the 8th of May, people are all anticipating that Dogecoin is going to moon on the 8th of May. But then it will be correct. Already we'll be saying it 8th of May, unless Elon Musk will be saying something about it. But I don't really anticipate that he's going to say a lot about it on the public television. So let's see what it's going to do. Yeah, maybe it can be pushing up the price, but I do think already the most amount of buyers, the most amount of potential buyers already bought into it. And on the 8th of May, we're going to see a huge correction here. We're going to see a huge correction. So please be prepared for it. Don't be the one who's in the hype frame right now. Don't be the one who's getting wrecked. And if you want to be seeing my exact thoughts, you can be going to my Dogecoin video over here. So yeah, I mean, want to be careful, of course, guys. Want to be careful. So, let me see what you were also saying. An Ethereum Classic, I mean, yeah, Ethereum Classic is currently trading on support. And yeah, for Dogecoin shorting it, I mean, it's still risky. It's still risky to short Doge, in my opinion, because yes, it can still go way higher if Elon Musk is going to say something about it on the Saturday Night Live show. Yeah, you will probably get wrecked there. So, I mean, I want to be careful with shorting Doge, but I should definitely stay away from it. That is my approach that I'm currently taking, because in my opinion, it's a little bit too risky over here. So, I see also Barn and Barsh donating into the channel, €5. Thank you for your support donation. You are saying, hi, can you look at UBXT? Upspot is hacked by Elimina. They're reporting rapid user growth lately, and I'd love to hear your opinion about it. So, I mean, let me see what the chart is telling us. So, they're seeing a lot of user growth, though it is very beautiful to see. Of course, I'm creating a big wick over here, so let me get a different chart. Maybe it's normal in the chart, but I don't like to see that, of course. I mean, there's not a lot of I mean, there is a lot. Yeah, there's quite a lot of information. Not that a lot, but it's of course already runs in the 20th of September of 2020. So that's of course very exciting to see here. Yeah, what you can see as well on this chart here is, of course, first of all, you're trending a new uptrend over here. You can be maybe even saying this that we are in a very stealth uptrend over here. And yes, we are definitely setting very stealth higher highs, but what you can right away identify is that the buying strength is losing. We're sending, and yeah, we are in a downtrend on the MACD. Sorry, we are in a downtrend on the RSI. So this is right away giving us a signal we are pushing lower, and the buying strength is losing, and you want to become very careful, because what you can currently see here is that, yeah, we are setting lower highs here on the RSI, and of course still higher highs in the price chart, but is of course in the end giving us all these bearish diversions. So please be careful with that. And besides that, on the MACD, MACD is looking also like a bearish crossover, but currently we are having a bullish crossover once again here. So let's see how this will be ending. But yeah, I mean, to look at the RSI, it's definitely giving us all kinds of bearish diversions, so please be careful. Don't be over rushing this. Probably if we're going to go higher, we're once again going to set the bearish diversion. So please be careful if you look to the price chart. But yeah, if you're seeing a rapid user growth, if the user base is growing and growing, just like what the comments currently doing, I like to buy into it, because probably it has a lot of potential for the future. So definitely very exciting. Yeah, if it has a lot of user growth, you should definitely just hold. But of course, these bearish divergence are making me feel like it's probably going to reverse anytime soon here. So Dean Harvey is saying AVIX. So let me go into AVIX, guys. I want to be saying this. I don't know for how long I can stream still, because I will be going out anytime soon here, and I will be going to do one of the most loveliest things ever in my life. So I can't wait to see what your reaction is to it as well. Unfortunately, the color is not my color that I like, but this is the only color that they have, so that's already a quick hint for you. For the people that are wondering, it's not my favorite color. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, just go to my Instagram. Just go to my Instagram and keep your eyes out on it. But yeah, What is Apex currently doing? Dean Harvey, we're looking at this critical downslope resist line here, a very important level that you want to be looking at. Of course, since seeing this this breakthrough of this resist line, we retraced very quickly, but that was of course because of Bitcoin freaking out, and usually these coins follow Bitcoin. So Crypto Aaron is also saying I have a gem e boost. Let me go into that in a second. And Captain Jack Sparrow as well here. Rover, where are you? I'm in Dubai, my friend. So let me go back into AVEX, but AVEX, of course, seeing this big correction because of Bitcoin. Then after that, it retraced back to the upside, and after that, it moved higher. And right now, it's finding resistance on the daily resistance target. So this is, of course, daily resistance. And you can see over there, yeah, horizontal level of resistance, $38.33 here, providing major resistance. Already created a wick on the top side, so please be careful. Don't overrush this. And please stay conservative. Probably the market is looking healthy. It's looking in a healthy uptrend. Of course, we retrace once again back above the resistance line. So definitely the buyers are stronger right now than the sellers. You can already see on the MACD, on the daily candles, is looking very healthy. Bullish crossover also played out there. Higher lows getting formed, higher highs currently also getting formed. So the daily trend is definitely looking very good for you, Dean Harvey. For hourly trend, is looking a little bit more bearish in my opinion, because yeah, you're setting lower highs, lower lows as well. So there can be a reversal coming anytime soon on the 4 hourly. Besides that, you're forming all bearish divergence, and we're definitely in a downtrend on the RSI. So yeah, we are forming higher highs with lower highs on the RSI. That can be, of course, yeah, ending in a bearish divergence once again. Here we're currently once again creating a bearish divergence, so probably in the immediate short term we're going to see correction, but on the daily candles it's still looking healthy. So let's see what we're going to do. Hopefully we can be seeing him move to the upside again and create. And yeah, Captain Jack Sparrow, cool that you're tuning in once again to the stream here. True legend, guys. Let me see how much like we got here on the video. And let me see, 500. We already got 500. Probably that's still load up here. Give me a second. How much is it standing currently on? For me, I just have to look at it. 522 likes, guys. Thank you so much for hitting that like button. You guys are truly legend. Make sure to test drive a supercar. I mean, Captain Jack Sparrow. I mean, I'm not going to spoil you anything, but just look at the Instagram. You guys, I definitely want to be reaching the 4,000 followers anytime soon. It will be amazing if you're following me over here. I'm very active recently on the Instagram, so we'll be working on it a lot. So it will be amazing if you're going to follow me over there. Yeah, what is eBoost? What is this coin? Let me look at it. I don't exactly know what it is here. You're saying it's a true undervalued gem here, only 8 million market cap. So yes, the risk is potential very high, but the rewards can also be very high. For me, yeah, I really want to be, if I'm calling a gem, I really want to be knowing what the fundamentals are doing. And for me, it's very hard to give my exact thought about the fundamentals. It's of course probably working with debit cards, not credit cards, but with debit cards. So it's pretty exciting. I mean, I also know a lot about it over here. So in-game purchase, very exciting. Let's see how it will be performing like in the coming days, coming hours. But yeah, hopefully it's going to give you very good returns, bro. Maybe I will be looking into it anytime soon here. Yeah, very exciting, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do. Hey, what was the money flow indicator again? You can find it here over here, money flow index. It calls itself money flow index. It's a very important indicator if you identify a trend as well. You want to be identifying trends. So Captain Jack Sparrow once again donated to the channel. You're saying more than half liked it. Keep it up, guys. So I mean, yeah, you Captain Jack Sparrow completely true here. More than 50% liked the video already. So it's absolutely insane how big the support is right now. I mean, you guys are truly amazing. And guys, yeah, we even are very close to reach the 40.4k here. And of course, guys, later today probably I will be still making another update video, because I will be doing more of these updates videos as well, quick updates, because yeah, you guys seem to love them. Of course, if something is playing out in the market, I will be always doing live streams, but also make a quick updates videos. Do you use Market Cipher? No, I don't use it, but I use, of course, Market Cipher is basically a lot of I mean, there are a lot of indicators built into the Market Cipher, and that is the Market Cipher. So yeah, I mean, I used a lot of indicators that the Market Cipher is also using. So yeah, basically you can say yes, but no, I don't use that exact indicator. Take a video today and stream it. Oh wait, take a video today and start streaming tomorrow. Tomorrow I will be definitely streaming, guys. But tomorrow will be at the normal time, a little bit later. Probably around the time that we're currently at. Then I will be starting the stream. So it's very exciting. So if you want to be seeing tomorrow's stream, make sure to already hit the bell notification, because then you're staying up to date about the channel, guys. So let me see. So many people are talking about XRP, but guys, we already discussed XRP multiple times here on the stream. So please go back in the stream if you want to be seeing it. But yeah, let me see. Can you check Harmony 1? Let me go into Harmony 1 for you, my friend. Let me go into Harmony 1. Let me see if there are some very important things to talk about. Because yes, Harmony 1 is of course an asset that I've been talking about as well a lot. First in the parallel channel, right now creating a continuation pattern, it looks like. So what I was expecting here is another touch of the lower level. So please, hopefully we can be seeing another touch of the gray box slash supportive uptrend line. So definitely very exciting what we're currently looking at, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do. So hopefully we can get this retest of the 10.4 cents here. After that, we can be looking for high prices. So 10.4 cents is definitely already accumulation level that I should be looking for. But definitely, I think there will be an insane breakout for Harmony 1. Of course, I want to be careful, just like I told you as well with VeChain. Harmony 1 is going into a parabolic uptrend. It was going parabolic, consolidated, right now going lower. We're probably going to break out to the upside of the parallel of the symmetrical triangle. But at the end of the day, guys, I still expect that we're going to see not the prices are getting reached here, and still want to be very conservative. But I do think that we can be seeing some more, some more momentum to the upside. Your update on Reef. I already talked about Reef as well. I feel very excited about Reef, and as well for ADA, I also talked about ADA as well. Can be maybe looking possible into it once again here, but I already talked both about them. And I mean, yeah, Reef is also looking very good here. Insane bullish. It looks insane bullish right now, Reef. And I like to buy coins that have not exploded yet here. I like to buy them early. And Dean Harvey is asking me, what do you think about Crypto.com? I mean, Crypto.com, like expected, found support on 0.5. Still staying conservative with Crypto.com, of course. You're currently still finding, unfortunately, we were not touching this level. I was expecting that we're going to touch this level, but we did not. Yeah, you still have the down slope resist line over here. I will be extending this one real quickly. But yeah, definitely very exciting. Maybe we can be looking at some kind of an consolidation pattern playing out here. There will be still always a lot of consolidation going around for Crypto.com, because yeah, once Crypto.com is going to explode, I definitely think it will be having such a run up once again to the upside. Right now, it's been consolidating a lot. It's still setting higher lows, so the trend is still your friend till it ends, and the trend is to the upside. So I can't wait to see what we're going to do. Jonathan asked me, are you still bullish on and holding on Butterfly Protocol? Yes, definitely, I'm holding this one. I've not been talking a lot about it, but I'm still, guys, I have a lot of coins in my portfolio, but it's still holding this one. I definitely think it has way more potential here. Of course, I don't make these videos for no reason, guys. Like I told you before, but yeah, I mean, like I told you before as well with YLD, etc. Guys, don't expect a coin. Once I'm making a video about the coin where I do believe in, don't expect it's going to explode tomorrow. Don't expect it's going to explode within 2 days. It can sometimes take maybe a month before reaching the insane gains, but you want to be an early adopter to make the most amount of gains, right? So that's the reason why I'm still invested in Butterfly Protocol, and of course, it's a pretty low cap altcoin, and it will be still giving me very good returns. So yeah, still holding on it for sure. Still holding on it for sure. So definitely very exciting, of course. So slow down. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Always once I'm slowing down, 90% of the chat says to me, please, Rover, speed up. So it's always a twisted feelings. Yeah, Crypto Rover holding. Yeah, of course, definitely holding it. Definitely holding it. Now we like fast talking. Yeah, that's exactly what I was about to say here. I see right away Buttermilk Honey saying that, so it's pretty exciting. I just bought your recommended books, looking forward to read them. Okay, yeah, guys, by the way, I've not really talked about it, but I know I get a lot of questions. I get a lot of questions from you guys in I get a lot of questions from you guys in the chat. I was sorry, not in the chat, on my DM, and I have some recommended books here. I have to I have three. I think Sorry, I have 3 books over here, and you can be finding them over here if you want to be seeing them. It's definitely worth to check out. It's very exciting to see, and yeah, hopefully you can be reading them. Of course, if you like them, you can be checking it out, and if you think it's something for you, definitely worth to check out. But these are my favorite books to learn trading and learn some psychologically. So if you want to be reading that, you can definitely do so. Of course, it's on Amazon. I bought them as well on Amazon, and I did Amazon on purpose because Amazon is worldwide, so almost everywhere you can be buying it. But guys, Unfortunately, I will be wrapping up the stream right now. Unfortunately, I want to be extending the stream even longer. But unfortunately, I have to head out right now, and I don't know exactly what is going on with the stream right now. But unfortunately, I have to wrap up the stream right here. I have to head out right here. And what is going on? I do think some weird things are going on currently. But guys, unfortunately, I have to wrap up the stream here because I have to head out here. I'm going to do the most amazing thing in my life ever in history. So, guys, make sure to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, because here is where everything will be going on here. Here's where I will be talking about every single thing here, what I'm going to do today. So, guys, what you can expect from me is tomorrow, of course, a little bit later, another stream on the channel. A little bit later tomorrow, there will be another stream. But yeah, today, probably maybe another video later on today, but definitely if you want to be seeing what I'm going to do today, make sure to follow me here on Instagram at CryptoYT. But guys, thank you so much for watching this amazing stream here. We'll be catching you guys back tomorrow in the new live stream here, and hopefully you guys had an amazing day here, and I truly hope that you guys are going to enjoy your day right now in crypto. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you're going to have an amazing day here, and peace out.